Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here, Weeby Autos. Today we have a killer car. I don't think I've ever seen one of these resto modded like this. It's a 1948 Oldsmobile Series 66, right George?
Yes.
Man, killer. So how did this car start out?
It started out all original. I can show you pictures. It was an all original car. Straight six, hydromatic, first year of the hydromatics.
Turbo 400?
No.
That's what you put in it?
No, now it's a
So a hydromatic's almost like a power glide.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly. So now it's got the 350 TPI motor, tune port, and it's got the 700 R4 transmission, the overdrive transmission.
Great, man. Makes it super straightable.
Chevy Rear. 57 Chevy Rear, coil-over ladder bar suspension. Got the Camaro subframe in the front.
Great.
Power disc brakes, power steering, the whole 9 yards in the front, air conditioning.
Wow.
Custom interior. I mean, it just goes on and on.
Wow. You just don't see these around, man.
No, you really don't.
It's got such a chopped look to it, but it's not chopped.
No, original lines. The window frames, that's all original stainless. That hasn't been redone.
Wow. How long did it take you to build this?
5 years. Took me to build this. 5 years.
It shows super high attention to detail. Eddie the Striper did all the stripes, did a fantastic job of the airbrushing and stripes. Super talented guy.
Absolutely. Great job.
Yep. Love how the wheels fit. Those center lines?
Not center lines. They're KMC wheels. It's an aluminum wheel. It's just something that in the day when I seen them, I liked them, so I bought them.
Yeah, looks great. Beautiful stainless. Lots of stainless, right? Polished stainless.
Polished aluminum. The bumpers are all polished aluminum, custom bumpers. Stainless steel around the windows. All aluminum under the hood. Yeah.
Very cool. Beautiful lines. Everything fits beautiful.
Has the power windows in the front, no power windows in the rear. Tilt wheel.
Is that an I-did-it tilt?
Actually, it's out of a Buick Regal.
Buick Regal.
The steering column.
Huh.
Yep.
Very cool.
Yep.
So you got a aluminum bumper up front as well? Kind of tucked in?
They're Biritz bumpers.
Oh, okay.
They're Biritz bumpers. I sent them a template of how I wanted them bent.
Yep.
And then they wound up bending them and I put them on.
Great, man. Grill's killer.
Yeah.
Tell me about this grill, George.
Well, the grill, it's all polished aluminum. It's not chrome. It's the original grill that came with the car, but it was pot metal, so I couldn't chrome it.
No, it disappeared, yeah.
Aluminized, and I had to hand polish it, and that's the finished product.
Probably
a long
took
time.
you
a long time.
Yeah, 200-300 hours.
Parts of the project.
Killer. Custom mirrors. Door poppers are electronic.
Right.
Interior is fantastic. Very comfortable. Tons of billet. Custom stereo. I like the LED lights up front.
Yep.
Even the felts and everything are just so nice. I don't think you'll ever see another one like this.
Yeah.
Guys at the shows probably go crazy, right?
I haven't been to a show in a while. I used to show it a lot. But I haven't been to any of the shows probably in the last 3 years, 4 years.
Very cool. Looks like you really took your time with this one, George.
Yeah. It's been a long time. I haven't felt, like I said, I have it over 20 years.
Wow. 336 gears. It's got a ladder bar set up. The track's real nice. Independent front. It's a 72 Camaro?
76.
76?
Front foot.
Pop the door.
Push.
Ah, there you go. Man, look at this interior. It's fantastic. Power windows up front. Tilt wheel. So you got 9,395 miles on the build. Stewart Warner gauges. Man, you really took a lot of thought into this, huh? Custom stereo.
I tried to use as much of the original panels as I could.
Is it all original panels?
Well, the car itself is all original panels, all original floors. It's all original metal in this car. But the dash panels and everything, I tried to keep them intact. I just re-drilled them.
Mm-hmm. Seat belts all the way around too. Like these little lights. A lot of thought.
Yeah.
You know, when you come back and look at it, you know, for someone me that's fresh looking at it,
Right. You keep seeing more
I
and more.
keep seeing more and more and more.
Absolutely.
Right down to that third brake light.
Yeah.
How'd you do that?
Believe it or not,
What
it's
is-
two-sided adhesive.
Hmm.
And it's, I forget what it's out of, but yeah.
Yeah, look at that. Really cool. I just keep seeing more and more cool stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Forward and gold.
It's got a real nice Art Deco design to it, you know?
A guy by the name of Don Fisher did my interior. I don't think he's around anymore. I think he's gone. He was a little older when he did mine. I don't think he's. I know he's definitely not in business anymore. I don't know if he's still alive.
Yeah, a lot of old school guys touch this thing.
Yeah.
Including Eddie, you know, he's been around forever.
Yeah, yeah. And the guy that did the body work and the paint, also old school.
Fisher did the body too, huh? Says it right here.
Yep.
Body by Fisher.
There you go.
Very cool. You fire it up and open the hood?
Sure.
Check it out. There she is. TPI, power steering, power brakes, disc up front, drum in the rear.
Yeah.
Okay. Monster aluminum radiator, powder coated headers,
Aluminized header.
aluminized, kind of what you did with the grill.
Yep.
It's a Griffin radiator too, that's not cheap. AC compressor. That you smooth the firewall. You pound that out too?
I didn't do that. I had somebody do that for me.
Oh, beautiful job, man.
Yeah.
All stainless and high-end hardware, as you can see, all the way throughout. This is all stainless.
Even the
I think you don't fit to ever sell this thing, right? That's what everybody says.
Everything is stainless bolts.
Very cool, bro. It's nice and streetable. It's not too loud. Billet valve covers. Fuel injection, like I said. Electronic ignition. Camaro clip up front. I love these motors. Run nice and cool, very reliable.
They are very reliable.
You'll probably hop in this thing and drive it right to Florida.
Yeah. And the way I built it, it was all stock, so if everything does happen, you just go in, you ask for 76 Camaro parts.
Yeah.
And they're you know,
Oh, right off the shelf, yeah.
Yep. Yep.
Love the serpentine system. One belt runs it all. Yeah, it's beautiful, man. Really nice. Did like a rhino line under there, or is that original?
This is original under here. That's original.
Very cool.
Yep.
You probably had it undercoated when you bought it brand new.
Yep, they probably did.
That's what saved it. Got a nice sound to it. Like the ladder bar setup too.
A lot of bars nice.
Was it torsion in the rear, or?
This was a torsion originally.
Yeah.
Torsion suspension in the rear.
A lot of work under here. Coil-Overs. The Dunlop radials are like brand new. You can still see the nubbies on them. 255 60 R15s. And in the front, you got the 205 65 R15s. So same size rim, just staggered fitment. Man, I can't believe how much these look like center lines, right?
Yeah,
Back in the day, in the 90s, right, bro?
Yeah, they do.
The one-piece billet wheel. Man, awesome. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. My name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a shout. I'd love to talk to you more about the car. I'm at 631-339-0399. And you can also check out more information on our website. It's weebyautos.com. And don't forget to subscribe. And thanks a lot, George.
Thank you.
Appreciate you joining us today.